Afternoon guys, and happy Friday. So today, this is the second vehicle. We've got double trouble, bit like the Skoda Enyaqs we did for the electric automatic tailgate. This is the VW T-Roc double upgrade. Now, both vehicles almost brand new, if not brand new, and have come into us for the genuine Volkswagen electric tailgate. Now the tailgate is an American word. We use boot lid, but it's still called the electric tailgate retrofit. So both vehicles in 1 week, and all we've done is we have got rid of the manual boot lid and converted it to automatic and electric. So if you join me around this side, I'll show you what we've been doing. Now we have done quite a few of these electric tailgates for VWs, Audis and the Skoda, and when the car is built from factory, these manual telescopic gas rams are fitted, and what we do is we remove them, replace them with these big electric ones. Some vehicles have electric on both sides, some of them just have manual, so this is still a higher powered strut, but it's only one side on the T-Roc that's electric. In the boot lid, we have a brand new button fitted that's again all factory fit. We've got a module that gets fitted in there. All the cabling gets routed to the front, connected in through the data lines and the BCM, and then we code it. And what you're going to get now is a simple operation of the boot lid. So I can press the button. Smooth, refined and factory. It's not aftermarket, it's not clunky, it's all genuine parts. So again, all I need to do is open the boot, and you can see how effortlessly it does it, and that's what people pay for. It's not a cheap retrofit, but it's something that again we do and take great care in doing, because we want it to be as seamless and as factory as possible. Now this particular customer, for the second one we did, wanted also the ability to close it from the key, which is not a factory feature. This is an aftermarket module, because when we fit these, you can open from the key fob and you can open from the outside emblem, and you can shut it from here, which is the button inside. But we fit an aftermarket module for it to close off the key fob. Now there's a certain way of doing this, so I'm going to press the button once and then press it again. So that's the whole point of the remote close, is that if you are walking away with bags or your arms full, or it's raining and you just want to be able to shut the boot, or you've left it open and you're in the house, within theory, or in the office or wherever, in theory you can use the remote control to shut it, because from factory you can only shut it from the button inside. So double trouble this week with the T-Rocs. We do a lot of these, especially for main dealers and for private customers. If you want a vehicle, if you've got a vehicle and you want to know if it's compatible for an electric tailgate, Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda only, then please get in touch with us. And the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Thanks for watching.